Hello and welcome to SVP, and today we're doing a service on this Lancia Integrale, and we'll be using these two products to help us do that. This is Wagner oil system cleaner, and we also have Wagner microceramic oil additives, and these are going to help us improve this engine and give it a longer lifespan. These come with a range of benefits, including better fuel consumption, engine noise, reduces friction and wear, and enhances your engine performance and makes it last much longer in the long-term running. And that is what we want for this car. So let's get started. First thing to do is to add the Wagner oil system cleaner to the engine. This should take up about 6 to 8% of the total oil volume capacity. For us, this is 312 millilitres. As this engine here has a 5.2 litre capacity, your engine ratio can easily be worked out using a simple calculator. We will add the cleaner to the engine and run it for 15 to 20 minutes to allow it to circulate fully around the engine and do its job in cleaning and helping the engine as seen here. Once the engine is up to temperature and been run for enough time, we move on to draining the old oil and replacing the oil filter. We follow the manufacturing requirements for this, including standard oil filter and regular oil that your cars need as recommended per the manufacturer. We carry this process out before adding the Wagner microceramic additive to this engine. We follow a similar process, except we fill up 10% of the engine oil capacity along with regular oil. So for example, if the car has a 10 litre engine oil capacity, we fill 9 litres up with regular oil and 1 litre of Wagner microceramic additive. This again can be worked out using a calculator. Another important thing to keep in mind is make sure you shake well before use, as seen in the video. Once we've completed the oil change, we check the oil as normal using the dipstick, and the car is now done. These two products and more are available through us. Links to our website is in the description. And if you have any questions, feel free to get in contact.